The seed stitch can be used to add little decorative dots or speckles onto something, or have it more as a filled in texture. To do this stitch, we just come up where we want our first little stitch to go, and then we make a short little stitch in one direction. To add our next little seed stitch, we come up a little ways away, and then go in another direction, making a short little stitch. These stitches are almost like if you threw rice or confetti on the ground and they scattered everywhere. That is what the seed stitch looks like when it is more spaced out, like so. If you want it more densely filled in, we would just make our stitches overlapping one another. So I will just kind of add in my little stitches, coming up and going down. It's a little sporadic, kind of wherever you want to put a stitch as we work to fill in this space right here. And I love filling with this stitch because it creates some really great textures. That could be like moss or rocks, or like sand, pebbles, just some really great overlapping designs here. And there you go. That would be the seed stitch if you used it to fill in.